Watch as Chancellor tries to bribe the dog to follow him with cookies. He gets the dog to follow him with the cookies. What do you think about that, Dad?
I think he's a genius. And he's 22 months old, and he's figured out how to get the dog to do what he wants her to do. So he keeps showing her the cookie to get her to chase him. It's hilarious to me.
It is absolutely
Boom,
amazing.
boom, boom. I think he get it from his mama. Get all them brains from his mama.
Yeah, we're just pure geniuses around here. Buddy. What else you have to say? That's it?
Nothing. I need to soak in the tub. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Tell other people bye-bye.